Our learning target is to multiply two-digit numbers by one-digit numbers. So our example says 64 times 5. Well, I can estimate by saying 60 times 5, which would be 300. So my answer should be close to 300. So step 1, I'm going to multiply the ones. I'm going to regroup. So I'm going to 4 times 5 is 20. I'm going to put my 0 down here at the bottom, put my 2 at the top. That's called regrouping. And then in my step 2, I'm going to multiply the tens and add any regrouped tens. So I'm going to over here say 5 times 6 is 30, but then I have to add that 2. That 2 makes it become 32. So my answer is 320. So 64 times 5 is 320. Well, is 320 and close to the estimate? Yes, because 320 is close to my estimate of 300. All right, let's look at our next equation. We have 2 times 53. So we're just going to write it like this, 53 times 2. Okay, so what I'm going to first do, I'm going to, this is my ones place, this is my tens. So I'm going to first multiply my ones. That 2 has to talk to both of the numbers on top. It's got to talk to the 3 and it's got to talk to the 5. So I'm going to say 2 times 3 is 6. I don't have anything that I have to regroup there because I just have a one-digit number. Then I'm going to say 2 times 5 is 10. I'm going to put my 10 here, and my answer is 106. All right, let's look at the next one. The next one I have 24 times 3. So 3 is going to talk to each one of the numbers on top. So I'm going to say 3 times 4. 3 times 4 is 12. I'm going to put my 2 here, and my 1 is going to regroup to the top. Now I'm going to say 3 times 2, which is 6. And then I'm going to add the 1 in the top. So now I'm going to have 6 plus 1. 6 plus 1 is 7. So my answer is 72. Let's try the next one, number 3. 18 times 7. Okay, so again, we're going to still do the same thing. We're going to look at our numbers over here in the ones place and tens, right? So we're going to do the ones place first. 8 times 7 is what? If you said 56, you are correct. I'm going to carry my 5 to the top. Erase my place values. 5 goes to the top. And now I'm going to say 7 times 1. 7 times 1 is 7. Plus 5 is going to give me 12. So my answer is 126. Okay, but really remember this place value is 10. So this is actually 10 and this is actually 50 that we're bringing over. Okay. All right, look at the next place. We're going to do 33 times 6. 6 times 3 is 18. So I'm going to say 8, carry the 1. And then I'm going to say 6 times 3 is 18. Plus 1 is 19. Because remember, I'm adding. I'm going to say 6 times 3 is 18. And then I'm going to add 1. And that's going to give me my 19. So I have 198. And this is multiplication, two-digit numbers by one-digit numbers.